The second scooter in our Platinum collection, the Victory Platinum, offers a world-class mobility experience. Proudly made in the USA of foreign and domestic parts, this mid-size scooter is full of premium features that define the very best in performance mobility. So what does it mean exactly to be called Platinum? Let's start with Pride's patented exclusive easy turn technology. With this feature, you'll get 3-wheel scooter turning ability while maintaining 4-wheel stability. You'll also be able to navigate tighter environments with ease without the feeling of tipping. The Victory Platinum also contains our exclusive Charge 360 magnetic charging system. The port is located on the underside of the tiller. Without having to line up any pins, simply hover the charger near the port and the charger will snap into place, illuminating to indicate a successful connection. It connects in any direction and requires minimal dexterity to operate. The one-handed tiller adjustment mechanism is convenient and easy to use. It's located right on the Delta tiller, so you don't even have to leave your seat to operate it. Simply press and hold the latch and adjust the tiller to your desired position. The Victory Platinum also comes equipped with full front and rear suspension. This creates a smooth, comfortable ride even when traversing uneven terrain. And with Feather Touch disassembly, you can quickly separate the unit for storage and transport. A mobility solution designed to meet all your needs, the Victory Platinum is second to none. It's available in iceberg blue as seen here and cardinal red. To learn more, head to pridemobility.com.